Free audio post-production by alphonic.com.
Hi there, welcome back to Being Your Ray. And for today's episode, I'm going to talk about failures, boredom, frustration, all of it. So, yeah, starting with my personal experience with it, of course, because I have failed at so many things and I'm so tired of it, like so sick of it that I knew I wanted समथिंग रेवोल्यूशनरी बाय दिस पॉइंट क्योंकि मैं काफ़ी ज़्यादा बोर हो चुकी थी एंड ऑफ कोर्स when you keep failing at something every new thing that you try and there's nothing is working out every single time you start fresh and expect कि अब तो चीज़ें फाइनली ठीक हो जाएगी I will have all that control that I wanted and oh my god, life's going to be beautiful, and still it does not happen. It's the failure over and over again that is, oh my god, the most. I know I say about say the same thing about pretty much every aspect that I'm frustrated about, but failure is like, oh my god, the biggest frustration, right? And no one wants to face it. Like, of course, you do learn from it and all of that, but it's not fun. Failure once or twice, we get it, and then there's like this success that, oh my god, you always wanted to taste, and it all makes so much sense, and it's all worth it now. But if every passing day feels like a failure and nothing is adding up in terms of joy, contentment, or results, it just, yeah, not a fun place to be in. So, yeah, as a former failure at all possible avenues that I've tried in life, I want to tell you that, yeah, at the risk of sounding repetitive, meditation is the only thing that you can't fail at and succeed. But you already know about that if you have been a regular listener, hopefully. But let's like delve a bit into the logic part of it, right? Everything that we try and give our all to in terms of practical decisions that we are supposed to make in life. So, I know I keep talking about colleges and jobs and all the things that I have tried and that haven't worked out for me. And that's how I went on to taking charge of my own life and doing something creatively. But that has only been after seeing a lot of failure in other areas and knowing that it's not working out, it's not for me, and just trying to decode why all of it, like, why the failure part of it can be easily avoided in the first place. So, yeah, तो पहली बात तो the kind of systems that we have in place, societal, job related, education related, are literally systems of failure. I feel it sets you up for failure. I don't think it sets you up for success. I'm sorry for saying that, but it really sets you up for failure, which is a good thing if you are able to bounce back from it. But like the whole system literally sets you up for failure. The society with all of its क्या बोलते हैं बैरियर्स ऑफ कैसे जीना चाहिए, कैसे खुद को कंडक्ट करना चाहिए, दैट इटसेल्फ इज अ सिस्टम सेटिंग यू अप फॉर फेलियर क्योंकि मैं जैसे जीना चाहती हूँ वैसे तुम थोड़ी जीना चाहते हो, तो तुमने कैसे अज्यूम कर लिया कि हम सब एक ही है और हम एक ही सिस्टम फॉलो कर सकते हैं. तो दिस दैट इज first instance of failure. Then it comes to the education part of it all. पहली बात तो you are denying quality education to every single person based on an evaluation system जो fair नहीं है for every person with a unique ability. तो तुम कैसे, how are you assessing them on the basis of देयर स्ट्रेंथ्स। तुम्हें तो यही चाहिए कि वो तुम्हें सर्व करे एंड देन लाइक yeah, they can contribute to you in some way, and you are profiting through the whole thing. But how is the person profiting through that? उनको तो अपने स्ट्रेंथ्स और टैलेंट्स खुद ही फिगर आउट करने पड़ रहे हैं ना, तुमने ज्यादा कुछ नहीं किया है. एंड so I also want to bring this discussion that I had seen on this channel Jubilee, I think. And there's this beautiful debate, like a healthy one, about Ivy League dropouts and Ivy League students, where they just have this discussion on the pros and cons of it, and there are these questions that they are asked. And there's this one Indian guy, he's the only Indian one, and his name is Ashan, as far as I remember, who talks about कोरिलेशन एंड कॉजेशन वाला एक कॉन्सेप्ट है. आई हाईली रिकमेंड यू गो एंड वॉच दैट वीडियो. बट ही मेंशंस कि जो भी लोग आईवी लीग में जा रहे हैं वो इनहेरेंटली मोटिवेटेड एंड डिसिप्लिन्ड लोग हैं. तो कॉलेज में जाने के वजह से दे आर नॉट सक्सेसफुल. इट इज बिकॉज दे आर इनहेरेंटली, क्या बोलते, good people, inherently hard working people. So even if it wasn't for the college that they are going in, they would be making something good out of their lives, because that is their personality. Their personality is being disciplined, doing the hard things, क्या बोलते हैं, like getting that high by themselves. तो वो जो अकेले में है and the kind of progress they are making by themselves is in itself great. So it is not because of the college that they become great. कॉलेज वालों ने तो सिर्फ एक ये कर दिया है कि उनको साथ में लेके आ गए, बट वो कॉलेज की वजह से दे आर नॉट ग्रेट पीपल. दे आर हु दे आर बिकॉज दे आर हार्ड वर्किंग एंड बिकॉज दे आर इनहेरेंटली लाइक ड्रिवन पीपल. ड्रिवन इज द वर्ड. तो you can't really say कि college इसकी वजह से हो रहा है. It is because people are driven and people are taking that responsibility in their life. So yeah, I really can't wrap my head around what is it that they are giving us. And at the end सारी responsibility तो हमारे shoulders पे ही है. So better that we know about it and understand what's in it for us, because when I look from that aspect कि मेरे लिए क्या है इस system में, I can hardly find any good. And that is not to go against it, but in the sense that we need to come up with better systems ताकि लोगों के लिए उसमें क्या अच्छा हो उसके बारे में हम पहले सोचें, and not about how we can benefit from innocent people. So yeah, if there was a system where someone is helping me out to understand my unique strengths and giving me the opportunity to work on that, that is a completely different scenario. But what I see more of happening is बस एक एग्जाम है, उसमें तुम्हें जी तोड़ मेहनत करनी है, उसके बाद you get into the course. The course is nothing similar to what exam you gave probably. Then what course you learn is nothing similar to what you do on the real time job that you get after college. तो मेरे लिए क्या था इसमें, एंड व्हाई एम आई सर्विंग इट इन द फर्स्ट प्लेस. तो वो फेलियर देख देख के पक जाते हो तुम एक पॉइंट के बाद कि बस करो अब ये, आई कैन नॉट बी ब्रेन वॉश्ड एनी मोर. तुम कितना भी ये सोसाइटल एजुकेशनल और जॉब रिलेटेड प्रेशर डालो मुझ पे, आई कैन नॉट मेक सेंस ऑफ इट. एक चीज नहीं बची है जो मुझे that makes me think that this is worth it and I would recommend it to someone and be like yeah life बन जाएगी, कर लो. क्यों करते आ रहे हैं हम, I will still not get it. And जो लोग successful हो भी रहे, that is because they are inherently driven and responsible people. It's not because of the system. It's because of their personality. तो अगर पर्सनालिटी की वजह से ही सब हो रहा है, तुम्हारे अंदर का जो फायर है उसकी वजह से ही सब हो रहा है, तो कैरेक्टर पे फोकस करते हैं, तुम उस पे ज्यादा ध्यान देते हैं. बिकॉज द होल following the norm is really not getting us anywhere. So instead of that, let us just focus on how can we build our character in a way that serves us in all the areas. So yeah, talking about me, I have been a product of the failed system, and I am glad that I was able to see through it. I know it's too late, but I still feel like a lot of us are depending on it. And I really don't want you to do that. I want you to take that responsibility in your hands because nahi milne wala hai. And yeah, some point you will feel like I am deserving of more, and this constant failure cycle is just not it. So why I am ऐसे बार बार मैं failure के बारे में बोल रही हूँ, because I know कि the normal way that people go about life and the conventional way that they go about life, उसमें failure का rate बहुत ज़्यादा है. इसलिए I am very vocal about it. That going through that route, your chances of failure are like, I don't know, 99%. मैं, because getting into the best institutions and getting the best jobs, like people who are doing it, like चल ठीक है 99% नहीं तो 90%, ठीक है फेलियर रेट मैं पकड़ के चलती हूँ, बिकॉज सक्सेस तो टॉप 10 वालों को ही मिल रहा है, और बाकी हमारा क्या मतलब, क्या करेंगे हम अगर नहीं हुआ सिलेक्शन, नहीं मिली वो जॉब, तो क्या वी आर लेफ्ट विथ आवर सेल्व्स एंड ऑल दैट ब्रोकन पार्ट्स ऑफ आवर सेल्व्स दैट really wanted to succeed, and now our whole idea of success has been shattered and we need to start over again. तो वो चीज ना हो उससे पहले ही आई एम जस्ट लाइक, दिख रहा है साफ साफ कि फेलियर का रेट ज्यादा है सक्सेस से. सो लॉजिकली भी तुम वो चीज सोचने जाओ तो तुम्हें पता है कि you've been set up for failure. And once you realize that, and once you're so tired of failing over and over again, you will do everything to cling on to something that feels like success. मतलब एक भी ऐसा मोमेंट या फिर एक भी ऐसा स्किल या कुछ भी चीज जो तुम्हें सक्सेसफुल, रिमोटली सक्सेसफुल फील करवाती है, तुम उसको पकड़ लोगे. सो फॉर मी, दैट इज माई स्पिरिचुअलिटी. दैट्स द ओनली थिंग दैट मेक्स मी फील लाइक आई एम गेटिंग रिजल्ट्स. I am getting output to all the time and effort that I'm putting into. I am seeing it for myself. इसमें मुझे सक्सेस का मतलब, oh my god, 200% सक्सेस वैसा वाला फीलिंग है. I've never felt and seen something like this before. So that is the reason why I'm crazy about it. तो ऑब्वियसली जिस चीज का सक्सेस रेट इतना ज्यादा है, और जब तुम खुद उसको ऑब्जर्व कर पा रहे हो, एंड देन व्हेन यू डोंट सी मेनी पीपल डू इट, इट रियली पेन्स योर हार्ट, क्योंकि तुम्हें पता है हाउ इट फील्स टू कॉन्स्टेंटली फेल एट समथिंग, एंड यू वुडंट विश दैट फॉर एनीवन. इसलिए the best way to succeed at something is being yourself, and no one is teaching you to be yourself in the first place. तो उस उधर से शुरू करते हैं कैरेक्टर बिल्डिंग प्रोसेस से, कि कैसे समझा जाए खुद को, कैसे अलाइनमेंट में जिया जाए. तो yeah, my whole quest started because I was tired of failure, and because I had tried everything and nothing worked out the way I wished to. And at some point, you will also rebel and feel like, बस हो गया यार, कितना मतलब, कितना झेलूं मैं ये सब. So yeah, when you start to see the amount of failures that you've been going through and you become tired of it, and then there comes this one point that you taste success, you will double down on it. And maybe that point will be in alignment to what you were meant to do or who you were meant to be. So, yeah, don't, as I always say, don't fall for the trap. You will want to एंड द प्रॉब्लम विथ इट ऑल ऑफ इट इज कि तुम खुद को ब्लेम करना शुरू कर लेते हो कि क्यों नहीं हो रहा है मुझसे, क्यों नहीं कर पा रही हूँ मैं, क्यों क्यों क्यों, देयर मस्ट बी समथिंग रॉन्ग विथ मी, बिकॉज बाहर से तो सब लोग चिल ही लग रहा है, मुझे ही क्यों इतना अफेक्ट कर रहा है, मैं ही क्यों नहीं बैठ पाती एक जगह काम करने या पढ़ने. बट दैट्स नॉट it. It's because you you were meant for bigger things. So of course you are not feeling successful at that particular thing that you've been told. So yeah, just another reason from my end to start your spiritual journey, because बाकी सब में फेलियर रेट काफ़ी हाई है. द कंक्लूजन ऑफ दिस एपिसोड इज तुम्हें फेलियर ज़्यादा फेस करने हैं तो करो, एंड लुक एट इट, सी इट फॉर योर सेल्फ. दब दब के जीना है, पोटेंशियल अंडर प्ले करना है तो गो अहेड विथ इट. एंड आई नो आई एम साउंडिंग टू स्ट्रॉन्ग विथ ऑल ऑफ इट. And I do have my moments of gratitude where the क्या बोलते conventional way has served me in some ways, and I wouldn't be here without the realizations that I had during that point. But yeah, I wish things were different. I wish I didn't have to go through all of that nonsense and waste my time. And I wish I knew better. I wish I knew this wasn't serving me, it was serving them. So yeah, anyway, so now that you know, तुम 1000 बार फेल हो चुके हो, नहीं चल रही है चीज़, so why not try choosing yourself, understanding yourself, starting your journey, जहाँ पे सक्सेस रेट काफ़ी हाई है, जो हमें पहले से ही कर लेना चाहिए था. हमें बताया क्यों नहीं भगवान जाने. बट या लॉजिकली भी जहाँ पे सक्सेस रेट ज़्यादा है तुम वही करोगे ना, तो तुम क्यों कर रहे हो जहाँ पे सक्सेस रेट ज़्यादा नहीं है. गो अहेड विथ व्हाट really is bringing in success into your life. So yeah, and there are many meanings of success. Whatever you want to call it money, call it happiness, call it alignment, call it connections with people, whatever it is. You won't have it just by listening to others. You will only have it by listening to yourself. And I know मैं तुम्हारे कान चबा गई हूँ एक चीज़ बोल बोल के. So sorry for that. But yeah, I just wanted to make sure I bring that point across कि failure rate कितना ज़्यादा है इधर और इधर कितना कम है. तो थोड़ा common sense use करके please work upon it. And I know it's difficult because you're all alone and तुम्हें खुद ही responsibility लेनी है. And start में ऐसा लगता है कि शायद नहीं हो पाएगा. But the more you do it, the more you see the good that comes out of it, it becomes easier. तो थोड़ी बहुत रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी तो लेनी पड़ेगी, वरना रोते ही रह जाएंगे हम. सो yeah, there's that. If you made it this far, thank you so much for listening, and I'll see you in the next one.
Free audio post production by alphonic.com.